PA Cyber, thanks for joining me for another jam-packed edition of The Click. We have got a bundle of news for you this week, including tons of information about contests and social activities galore. So let's get right into it. October is National Red Ribbon Month, dedicated to anti-bullying and anti-drug use by students. The PA Cyber Student Assistance Program, or SAP, sponsors a number of events all month long to get you to socialize with your classmates and to promote a healthy lifestyle. The annual Red Ribbon Poster Contest is open from now through October 31st. This year's poster theme is I Can Walk Away from Drugs. This event is open to all students in grades 4K through 12th, and all posters must be original, designed on 8.5 by 11 white paper, and feature the theme written on the poster. You can scan all posters to Poster Contest at pacyber.org by the end of the month. The SAP team is also planning a number of costume parties and health walks in Harrisburg, Pittsburgh, and Philadelphia. Be sure to check your Blackboard account or your student email account for more information. Well, the beginning of each month always brings about accolades for another great PA Cyber teacher. October's Teacher of the Month is Ms. Rachel Coral. Ms. Coral is an IS on the Lanius Academy and is in her 5th year with PA Cyber. Previously, she worked in our Special Education Department. If you know Ms. Coral or have her as an IS, be sure to tell her congratulations. Virtual class students, the VC department will be holding a virtual open house on Monday, October 10th from noon to 2 and 4 to 6. During the event, students and parents can log on to meet with their teachers and learn more about what each class will be doing throughout the school year. Calling all seniors in Harrisburg and Pittsburgh, join the Senior Experience team for a spooky night at the movies on Friday, October 21st to see Paranormal Activity 3. Price for the event is $17 and includes your movie ticket, popcorn, and a drink. For more information, check your school email account for the registration form or contact Senior Events at pacyber.org. Did you know that PA Cyber is in the process of creating its own virtual library? As the library continues to come together, they realized they were in need of a logo, and they want your help in designing it. Open to all high school students, the design must use PA Cyber's color scheme and incorporate both traditional library and online learning themes. The deadline to submit your original design is December 1st. For more information, see the post in Blackboard or contact the school librarian at extension 1182. The school library is also promoting the National Reading and Writing Contest Letters About Literature, sponsored by the Library of Congress. Open to students in 4th through 12th grade, the contest invites readers to write a personal letter to an author explaining how his or her work changed the student's view of the world or themselves. All entries must be postmarked by January 6, 2012. And for more information, visit www.lettersaboutliterature.org. High school clubs are up and running again this year, and the Science Club is off to an explosive new year of experiments, having recently learned about the transformations marshmallows undergo through different scientific experiments. Club members are also looking forward to an upcoming chat with a geoscientist from Los Alamos National Laboratory. The German Club is starting out its year with some exciting news. In late September, the club received their official chapter charter from the National German Honor Society, Delta Epsilon Phi. Additionally, they've learned that a senior in last year's club, Esri St. Iago McRae, has been recognized with the Outstanding High School Senior in German Award for her academics during last school year. And I think on that note, it's a perfect time to get into the student spotlight. On September 9th, 13-year-old Jesse Kellick of Meadville competed in the 4-H District Horse Show with his quarter horse, Sugar. Jesse and Sugar, pictured here, took first place in the Keyhole Gaming event with a time of just 9 seconds. Their time has qualified them to compete in the Pennsylvania State 4-H Show in Harrisburg on October 28th. 16-year-old Conrad Rauscher was a student representative on a panel at the 2nd Annual Cybersecurity Conference in London this past June. Conrad joined a former FCC commissioner from the Bush administration and a former board member from Facebook on the panel. If you'd like to hear the first of Conrad's remarks during the panel, a video of the event is attached to your Click email. He first comments at the 28-minute, 45-second mark. And congratulations to all the students who have completed their DORA and DOMA benchmark testing. Student Achievement is reporting that to date, nearly 8,000 students tested with an average completion rate of 96% for both reading and math, a feat that Executive Director Andrew Oberg calls incredible. Completion of these benchmarks is just the first step to achieving your academic goals. Now, be sure to review your results with your IS and get involved with one of the many student achievement programs that can help you strengthen your skills. Teens in grades 7 through 12, you are invited to become leaders, not followers, through participation in our teen leadership workshops. These workshops help you to develop leadership skills by making positive life choices based upon sound values and successful goals. Topics covered include team building skills, study skills, and problem solving. Upcoming workshop sessions will be held October 14th in the Building Blocks location near Pittsburgh and on October 18th at the Philadelphia Support Center. You can RSVP by sending your name, grade, and session date to sap@pacyber.org. The PA Cyber Guidance Department will be hosting a college information night at the Philadelphia Support Center on October 11th from 6 to 8 p.m. Students and parents who want to learn more about the college planning process are encouraged to attend. Topics will include SAT and ACT testing, scholarships, financial aid, college selection, the application process, academic majors, careers, and deadlines. Please RSVP to shannon.welsh@pacyber.org. Well, that's it for our show this week. There is a lot going on this month, so hopefully each of you will be able to participate in at least one of the great events or contests we have planned. And remember, send your student spotlight stories and pictures from your PA Cyber events to news@pacyber.org. Until next time, I'm your host, Tony Saccone Craig. Thanks for clicking on the click.